Do you have low thyroid function, but not so low that you have to be on a thyroid hormone? So you can do a lot to help support your thyroid. So one of the best things you can do is eat a lot of raw fruits and vegetables. Now, one of the ones you want to avoid, though, is a cruciferous family raw. You don't want to be eating raw broccoli or cauliflower or kale or things like that. That can actually inhibit thyroid production. But one of the most powerful things you can eat is seaweed. Seaweed has got iodine in it. And iodine is what your thyroid gland uses to make thyroid hormone. So you might be saying to yourself, oh, great, I got to eat seaweed. Huh? Okay, there's some good seaweed out there in a flake called dulse flakes. These are really easy to find. You can find them online. You can find in your natural grocers. And you can throw those into soups and stews and smoothies and things like that, maybe like a teaspoon a day. Now, there's some other foods that are really good too. I want to read this to you. Parsley, watercress, apples, alfalfa, molasses, especially the not the refined molasses, prunes, seeds, and nuts, all can help build and balance your thyroid hormones. Okay. You can eat the cruciferous vegetables cooked, by the way, just not raw, but you want to avoid doing a lot of dairy, a lot of meats, maybe for a month, just try to go maybe vegetarian mostly. Want to get recipe and tips directly to your inbox? Sign up at divinefarmerhealth.com.